Okay, so I rolled the dice on some DNA motoring, eBay E46 headers. First impressions are they actually look pretty good. The welds look good. So now the inside of these are not welded or shaped really. So, and then the inside of the end flange also it's not welded, but all the O2 mounts thread completely by hand, so clean threading on that. And it came with these, but I guess I've been told that I should probably chuck these and get some OEM gaskets to save myself some trouble. But as long as these fit, I'd be pretty happy.